Corel Painter is a great application for creating weird and wonderful distortions from any images. You can create the weirdest of backgrounds as well as overlays and designs. I'm just starting with a red filled layer. What I can then do is go to Effects, down to Esoterica and Pop Art Fill. Select that and you get all these dots from that red image. You can also change the image luminance, maybe go with current gradient or go with original luminance. But I'm just going to go with image luminance. You can modify the scale. I'm going with 65% and black and click OK. Once you've done that, go over here, select the lasso tool. With that, you can create a selection, very random selection, just drag around there. And with that selection, you can then copy it into the pasteboard. And that's the key thing. So edit and copy. So it's copied away into the paste buffer. Let's just remove the selection now. So select none. Effects, and this is where I'm going to use the blobs, Esoterica and blobs filter. So blobs filter takes a few seconds to process, and you can see you've got that white, that's the current color, white there, but instead you can go here and you can select paste buffer and it's filled then with that image you just selected. And you can also change the size, the maximum size, as well as how good it looks, the subsample. And also you can randomize it. So you might change your mind and maybe decide that looks better. Then click OK. Now you could just use that if you want, but also you can add maybe some raised effects to it, surface texture. So effects, go down to surface control and apply surface texture. With that, you can then move this around, reposition it. And also you can add additional colors via the lights option down here. And you can also modify the amount. So maybe reduce it down or increase it, picture, shine, as well as reflection. And once you're happy, click OK. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel, always adding new tutorials all the time. Bye.